Guys, the first thing I noticed on this 10-year-old filter, it did not have the foam pre-cleaner on it. I feel like I could just crush it. Very easy. Check it out. I can almost put my thumb through it. So the paper media, does it degrade in 10 years? I'm sure it does. Here's the white plastic sleeve. That was a spacer for a smaller diameter air filter housing. Mine's got to be removed. We're just going to spray the foam pre-cleaner. I'm not going to spray the paper element. You guys can if you want, that's up to you. On the softness, yeah, I can squeeze it, but you got no support here. But in this area, it's a lot stronger than the 10-year-old one, which is what you would expect. We'll go ahead and treat this with the PJ1. Got to shake it up well, it's got a ball in it. The spray has a pretty nice pattern. Let's see if it'll show up or not. Yeah, kind of like a knife blade or something. I'm not going to get too carried away with it. I'm just going to spray a coat on it. Some people will spray it and squeeze it out. I don't think I'm going to try that. But I've been wanting to try the PJ1 foam filter oil treatment spray. We're going to call that good. When you spray that oil, if you was to spray it on your hand, you can see it looks messy here. It does have some kind of a carrier agent in it, and it will evaporate and leave just the oil. And the oil is super tacky. It's not going to show up on camera. You actually have to feel it. It feels thinner than even a 10-weight motor oil, but it's got a lot more tackiness to it. When you go, you can actually see how some of that is sticking together. Well, after you put it on, you kind of get the idea that it is a very specific product. Whether it's needed or not, I don't know. A lot of OEM equipment comes out with oiled pre-cleaners and pre-filters. I do not like the idea of oil in the filter, even though a lot of Honda vehicles, OEM, will have oiled air filters. Here's what I meant by that spacer, guys. It's not going to go on there. So it's got to be just some kind of a spacer made for another filter housing. As expected, fired right up. We're going to go ahead and change the spark plug out. Like I say, when we change out the spark plugs, no matter what's in them, they're usually champions. I'll always go back with an NGK plug. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there and have a good one.